Say I don't gotta dance, bitch, I make bloody moves. Say I don't gotta dance, bitch, I make bloody moves. If I see you now,
look at her. Check the edges, boo. Check the edges, boo. Okay. And so I'm just working the product through my hair. I suck at flat twists, but I'm about to try them. So yeah, if you suck at flat twists but you want to try them, they're gonna look something like this. Look at the definition that product gave. Yeah.
So as far as flat twisting goes, I'm definitely no expert, but this is what I figured out in the 3 times that I've tried it in the past 15 years. Later on, I'll go in more detail of how to actually flat twist, but the #1 tip that I can say is to make sure that the portion of hair that you're working with is extremely saturated thoroughly. That makes everything a lot more easier to work with, and make sure it's already detangled. Don't be afraid to finger detangle or add more product as you go along.
Oh, stop wasting, time wasting. I got a friend with a hole in the basement.
What? I'm just kidding like Jason. Oh, unless you're gonna do it. Extra, extra, a take such a lot of think about cutting our restroom. Oh, that's the words, right? I know that's the words. And my roots are so freaking moisturized. They're so moisturized. They feel so good. Like, I can't stop touching my hair, really. Because I'm doing it. Yeah, that was a joke. You get it? Did it make you laugh? No? Okay.
What? I'm just kidding like Jason. Unless you gon' do it.
say I don't gotta dance, bitch, I make bloody moves. Say I don't gotta dance, bitch, I make bloody moves. I don't fuck with you, I'm a boss, 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 boss. Say I don't gotta dance, 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 I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, bitch, I make bloody move.
So for my flat twist, depending on which side of my head I'm working with, I make sure that my flat twist will lay with my hair hanging flat. So I never twist inside, I'm twisting all of the twists facing the outside. So first I start off by sectioning my hair. Next I section a smaller section and divide that into 2 pieces. And I begin the front like a 2-strand twist. So I use my left hand as my dominant hand, meaning that my right hand will always be the hair, adding additional hair and twisting over the left side. Trust me, I know this is easier said than done, and I promise you, you just have to practice. This was one of my practice tries. I got lucky that it came out good, but really I think the key is to use really great products, and then you can play off the flat twist. And luckily, the combination that I'm showing you now is amazing, and you also need to have really great edges. And I'm showing you how to get those too, sis, so don't even worry. Leave a comment below and let me know if you guys would like a more detailed video on how I do my edges, because I'll feel so free to do that for you guys. My favorite thing to do to stretch my style is using the banding method. Before I band my hair, I like to make sure that the base of my twists are extra twisted. So I just retwist them tighter to make sure they're secure before I place them in the ponytail. And I add as many hair ties as needed for the length of my hair. I don't band down to the tip of my hair because I want the curls at the end of my hair to stay in their natural form.
So I actually really love this style. I like to rock it for like a couple of days, and then I go ahead and take out my flat twist out and I wear it as a flat twist out. But this is one of my favorite styles. I leave it like this banded and everything. I don't know why I think it's so cute, but I do. Like, once I do my baby hairs and stuff, I just think it's really adorable. It looks great under hats. I also will jazz it up with like some hair jewels as well sometimes, and it just looks really cute. I've worn it in the office before because my hair takes like 2 days typically to dry. So I've worn it in the office before, and it's all pulled back, and with the hairs it looks really cute. So yeah, this is my bad baby hair side. You got a bad baby hair side, or is it just me? Like, this is my good baby hair side, this is my bad baby hair side, but it's still a 5 no matter which way you look at it. But yeah, so this is the finished result.